In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to rename your Lovable AI projects. We'll keep this simple and clear so you can follow along in real time. Start by opening your web browser and heading to the Google homepage. This is just a quick way to get where we need to go if you don't have the site bookmarked. In the search bar, type Lovable. You're looking for the official Lovable website, which typically appears at the top of the results. If you already know the address, you can go straight to the dashboard page in your browser, but searching works just as well. Click the official Lovable result to open the site, then sign into your account. Make sure you're logging into the correct workspace if you have access to more than one. Once you're in, you should land on your dashboard, where your projects are listed as cards or tiles. Find the project you want to rename. Hover your mouse over that project's card. When you hover, you should see additional options or icons appear. If you're using a trackpad, keep the pointer steady over the project until the options show up. Click the Rename option. This opens a small dialog or inline field where you can edit the project's name. Type the new name you want to use. Aim for something short, clear, and consistent with how your team labels projects, including a version, a client identifier, or a purpose tag can make it easier to search later. Avoid special characters that might not be supported, and try not to reuse names that could cause confusion with similar projects. Before you save, double-check spelling and capitalization. Remember, changing a project's name usually doesn't alter the underlying content or code. It's just a label. However, if your team uses automations, links, or documentation that refer to the old name, plan to update those references after you finish here. When you're happy with the new name, click Save. You should see the project title update immediately on the dashboard, often with a brief confirmation message. If the new name doesn't appear right away, refresh the page to sync the view. If you don't see the rename option at all, you may not have permission to change that project's details, so check with a workspace admin. That's it. Open Google, search for Lovable, sign in, hover over your project, click Rename, enter the new name, and save. Thanks for watching, and happy organizing.